Hello and welcome to this brand new interview series of FlexiFunnel Ambassador. FlexiFunnel Ambassador is a term that we have rolled out for people who have achieved a minimum mark of 50,000 rupees using the platform of FlexiFunnels. I am Tanya Verma from Team FlexiFunnels, and here we bring to you an inspiring success story of people who have started their online journey using FlexiFunnels and are now finally living their dream of generating massive results online. And again, for today's interview, we have a new ambassador, new story, and new business numbers that you can also achieve for yourself using FlexiFunnels. So, for today's interview, we have Kishor Kakati with us. And Kishore, our audience are eagerly waiting to listen to your FlexiFunnels ambassador success story. So, please start by introducing yourself and tell us what do you do.
Yeah, actually, my name is Kishor Kakati. I am into FBAs and landing pages and in funnels. So actually, I help businesses by setting up their complete funnel to sell their digital product and generating leads. So this is what I am doing.
Okay, all right. So, before using FlexiFunnels, what exactly were you doing in the online world, and what were the things that were specifically hindering your growth while scaling your business?
Yeah, before FlexiFunnel also I'm into digital platform and digital things, doing digital things. So online marketing. So before FlexiFunnel, no, the processes are very slow and quite expensive because to make a website or a landing page, it took me around 2-3 days, and I have to buy 10 different tools. For checkout pages, then integrations, then payment gateway, and integrating 10 different tools. It's very difficult process. Integrate between tools. It's very tedious process. So it was very difficult actually. And to make a very good website very quickly, so I did is that I buy expensive pre-made themes, so which are very expensive. And the last thing is that uh, for making website or landing page, you have to also buy hosting, and most of the affordable hostings are very slow. Page loading speeds are very slow. So
Right.
it was a very difficult situation before FlexiFunnel.
Right. So, like after you have onboarded onto FlexiFunnels, how you have scaled your business and what impact have you seen in terms of revenue growth? If you can tell us to that our audience.
Yeah, actually, I am very fortunate enough to using FlexiFunnels for quite a long time as a beta user. So it is very easy to use, and it has more than 300 pre-made templates. So which I can make any landing page or website like in minutes. So secondly, most of the platform are integrated in one click only, like email integration, webinar integration, then payment gateway. Just you click once and it will integrate quickly. Then there is a automatic digital product delivery system. Then revenue enhancing features like bump offer, then pop up, then coupons, then countdown timer. Then all the landing pages and websites are mobile optimized. So it is very good. It is very easy process. And so last thing I want to mention is that FlexiFunnels excellent support system. If you have any problem, just drop a message. In 4 or 5 minutes, your problem will be solved.
Yeah, so that's a standard we maintain here to respond as quickly as possible, and that is where it's every time it's less than 5 minutes only. So that's a
Yeah.
system that we have set that to respond into that quick period of time. So
Yes.
I believe, like listening to your journey with FlexiFunnels, I can infer that you have been leveraging all the aspects, all these
Yes.
little features that are actually built in to maximize the revenue of any business. So you are already using those features and are already seeing the benefits. So that is a
Mhm.
great thing. So, moving ahead, how do you plan to scale your business? How you exactly think of growing it?
Before that, I want to mention one thing
Yeah,
before jumping to the next question. I already have 3-4 clients which are using FlexiFunnel. I onboarded on FlexiFunnel, and two of them are real estate client, and I made the lead generation funnel for them, and then sales funnel for them also. So collectively, I have generated more than 1.5 crore for them, for my clients.
that is very, very nice. So
Yes.
that's a big number, in fact.
Yeah.
So, kudos to you. Congratulations to you for that number.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, so like as our next question was like, how are you planning to scale your business from this number to next number?
Yeah, actually, till now I am doing it all alone. Just few things I outsource, like video editing and like graphic designing and all. So I'm planning to build my full-fledged agency by this year and reach up to 1 crore agency revenue as soon as possible.
Yeah, that is a great plan. Okay,
Yeah,
so all the best to start up with your agency soon and
yeah,
reach your revenue goals this year.
yeah.
So like these are all the questions that I had for you. Like now, before going, if you have any last message that you want to convey to our audience.
Yeah, I want to say that the FlexiFunnel is an amazing tool made by Saurabh Bhatnagar sir. Thanks to sir. And if you see in the market, there is no competition of FlexiFunnel, and FlexiFunnel is more advanced and feature is than any other tool. So if you need to invest upon right tool, then which help you need to invest on a very good tool which will help you your future growth. Then FlexiFunnel is the one. So this is the thing I want to say to everyone.
Okay, all right. All right. Thank you. Thank you for coming on this interview. And I just loved how you have worked your way to like single-handedly you have been managing all these businesses, client businesses till now. And now you are planning to, you have a clear roadmap to scale your business from here on. All the best for that too. Uh, this was a brilliant interview and I will see you soon.
Thank you, Tanya. Thank you.
Yeah, okay.